cutting a box top off just using a saw. First thing, work out where you want the box top to come off. This one's easy because it's, I think it was a demo one or something or other. And it's got dovetails in it. So I'm going to cut it off there. So I've got little dovetails at the top here. Oh, I know there's big gaps in there. And then there, so we'll cut it off there. Let's get a marking gauge. Set it to whatever that is. It's there. And mark all the way around the box. All right, so we've got that marked all the way around. What you can do is put masking tape either side of that cut or that marked line. And if you're not confident with your saw skills, it's good because it'll keep you on track. I'll start it with a back saw. And just put it between those two lines. And all I want to do basically is get a straight cut. There we go, look at that. Try not to go all the way down either, because if you do, you're going to end up with the lid closing on you and you won't be able to cut it off. So now I've defined that slot. We'll just work in that slot. Be careful when you're going down here like this, because that's when your blade's going to wander and it's going to cut through the tape. It started already not doing the right thing. So only go down there a little bit. I've got much more control over that back. I can guide that wherever I want it to go. Whereas the front, it's going to go all over the place. So the trick would be to do that, spin it around. Don't forget, when you put it in the vise and you clamp it, you also could squeeze the cut together. So I'm coming back here and I'm following this down. See how it's gone out of square there? I'm going to bring that back around. Now that's straight now, I'm inside the tape. And all you do with that is you just twist the handle just a little bit, whichever way you want to go. Okay? I'm not going to go all the way through. I'm going to leave a bit for Ron. Then we'll start down this side again. Bring that down between the two lines. We still there? Or have I moved? There you go. And I'm just going by feel there. I haven't measured it. Now join these two up and take the middle of this out. Okay, that's through. On the other end, bring it back. Nearly through. At that stage, I'm going to get a knife and see how close I am. A couple more cuts, I reckon. Whoop! I should have stopped it too, shouldn't I? See how far we got here. There we go, 2 cuts, and we'll try it again. Yeah, I know, Ray, I can't count. Okay, I'll give that 1. And we'll go over the other side. Do the same. See how we're looking. Test it with a knife. Not there yet. Okay. So now what we do, if this one's, we can give that maybe 1, there we go. And then get the knife and do the coup de grace. There you go, box lid, reasonably straight. Cut off using a handsaw. And then just flatten that out on a piece of sandpaper, or what have you, whack some hinges on it. Box ready to go.